Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video let me show you how to set up a bill negotiation request in Trim. Do you want to lower your bills? Well, Trim bill negotiation feature can save you money by negotiating with service providers on your behalf. All you got to do is first open the Trim app and log into your account using your credentials. And then from the home screen, you're going to tap on the bills or bill negotiation section. There you're going to look for the option that says negotiate a bill or start negotiation, and then just tap on that. Next, you're going to be asked to link the bill that you want to negotiate. It could be your cable, internet, or phone bill. Trim supports a wide variety of services. Once linked, just select the service provider and the bill type that you want to negotiate. Trim will then ask you to provide any relevant information such as your current plan or account number. After submitting your details, Trim's automated system will reach out to your service provider and attempt to lower your bill. This could mean securing discounts or finding better plans or even reducing fees. Trim will notify you once the negotiation is complete, either with a successful lower rate or an update on your options. That's it. You've set up your first bill negotiation through Trim. Next, I'm going to show you how Trim helps to negotiate cable or internet bills, so stay tuned to that. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course start saving on your monthly bills. That's pretty much it for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.